Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this credit ending scene on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text and just add in like names. I'm just going to copy and paste default text a few times just because I think it's just easier for me right now. But you're obviously going to copy as much as you can. Can I add one more? Okay. There we go. Like that. There you go. And I'm going to make the font size like this. You can also change the font as well here. There's like, I think a specific font people use for like credits, but I'm just going to use this Arial one. Okay, next we are going to basically keyframe it. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer. So it starts like at the bottom here, right? So I'm going to add a keyframe here. Then I'm going to move it up. Wait, does it start from the bottom up or from the up to bottom? I think it starts up here, right? Okay, sorry. Scrap that. Okay, we're going to, whoops. Start up here. And then you're going to add a keyframe here, and then at the end you're going to want to pull this down until you can't see it anymore. And if it's too fast, just make the length longer and move the keyframe as well, like that. And in like movies, they have like this cinematic frame, so you're just going to simply add in a black background on top, go to mask and select film strip and reverse that, and I guess like make it like this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!